Coach Vernon, talk to me now. You're giving me a magic potion.
So the last time we were having the Monster.
Yeah.
So Monster is like a mild version. So this is almost to play like a bartender, yeah?
Okay.
So this is basically a pre-workout drink.
Yeah.
And what that does is it gives you some energy to train, helps you with recovery, transporting nutrients that you would have had in your diet.
Okay.
To help you through the workout, help you to recover faster, give you a little bit more strength.
Yeah.
Help you with some motivation as well. Some people, when they get to the gym, they're feeling a bit tired, a bit drained, either mentally, physically, or both.
So like after a long day of work.
A long day of work, because some people, even if they had a good night of sleep and they're physically fine, mentally they're exhausted, they're drained.
Right.
It's not just caffeine. There's other things in it that help with mental focus, helps you to be a little bit more concentrated on the workout, a bit more motivation, some drive to train, basically.
Oh, okay.
Now, there's lots of pre-workouts that's out there.
Yeah.
Lots of which can make people a bit scared because they'll hear horror stories. Just like how you'll hear the horror stories, which is mild compared to this.
I came here with some horror stories.
On Monster, right. Now think of like all the stuff that you'd hear with the Monster situation.
Yeah.
All the heart attacks and so-called damage.
Yeah.
With this I will not advise everybody to take. Now, when it comes to this, Monster is just an energy drink with some caffeine in it, and then there's vitamins, and it's mild. This can be easily abused, even though the intention is good, but it can be easily abused and damaging.
People are abusing this thing.
Yeah.
Like drugs.
Like any other drug, but what happens is, let's say per serving, now if you're looking at Monster has like about 130 milligrams of caffeine.
Yeah.
A serving of this is 300.
A serving.
One serving. Now, one serving of this is 4 scoops. So there'll be a scoop inside. So there's 4 scoops. Now, I'm giving you 1.
Can I have 2 scoops?
I'm giving
Come on.
You can. But when people
start off with 1.
When people start off, I'd rather them start off with the lowest possible dose, and then work our way up. So technically, the caffeine in this is going to be almost like half the amount in a Monster.
Okay.
Half.
Let's go.
The other things are what we need. And the other issue is that there's lots of other pre-workouts on the market that are dosed differently. And the different ingredients in it make it dangerous. So I wouldn't just tell anyone, take any pre-workout.
Yeah.
There's specific ones that I would advise. Okay. So for this one, you can see it'll come with...
Let's see inside the
should come with a scoop. So it looks like that. The scoop is lost in there somewhere.
Nice and pink to eat. Smell nice, I think.
Yeah, cherry.
Cherry, smell like a little bit like Nesquik.
Cherry flavor. Well,
okay.
It's not milky. It's more like fruit juice. We'll taste like that.
All right.
Okay, so a serving would be...
I came here amped up today, but...
So that's 1.
But we'll take it anyway.
So that's 1. So a serving, remember, is going to be 4.
Secret concoction.
You're taking 1, right? So we're having it in a glass because I think your bottle is full.
Yeah.
And then I'll just swirl it.
I think it's looking very tasty. I won't lie to you.
It's going to be strong because there's less water. So the closer you are to a workout, the less water you want to use for it to absorb.
It tastes nice, but
it is nice. It's going to give you a bit of a slight kick.
Once I down it, like
just drink it, yeah. You can sip it down.
I'm having Korenza or something. Wait, let me taste.
Yeah.
Let me taste it first. Have a
taster. You can sip it, taste it.
Oh, this thing is nice, man.
Yeah. It might bite a little bit, but...
Yeah. It gave me like
a slight kick,
Like a tingling sensation in the back of my tongue, but okay.
Yeah. So now that's just a quarter. And then, that's basically it. Now, for me...
I'll grab all the things here.
Huh?
I think it reminds me of Kool-Aid.
Yeah, something like that. Now, in this...
Kool-Aid,
So in this, so people would see me on my videos on TikTok, and then they'll see me having this and adding something else and adding something else. They see me do some dangerous things as well because I mix it with Monster, some weird stuff. Not all the time, not all the time. You'll see this as well. This is just for content purposes. You'll see this as well. People on social media, the fitness people, they call it, so you'll hear this term, dry scooping. So what they do is, instead of mixing it the way I gave it to you, which is safe, do it like that. Always do it like that. Dry scooping is if you experienced, you can do it like that. If you didn't carry your bottle, now this would be a dry scoop. So you have to have the scoop there. So the water.
Oh, you mean like that?
Yeah, and then you.
Yay. And you take a little tiny sip of water just to wash it down.
Yeah.
So you're like taking grandpa.
Like taking grandpa.
But you don't put it under your tongue or anything. You just like...
No, yeah, this is dry scoop. Now for me, I'm gonna...
So we got dry scoop. I had 1 scoop. We got a 2 scoop, but normally you take 4 scoops.
I'm having... A serving is 4 of this one. Yeah, so I don't know if you want to continue recording.
Yeah, but coach, you're supposed to be coaching me now. You don't need this thing, yeah?
No, I'm just showing you, because mine needs to absorb for a little bit later.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. This is going to be a hyped-up session. We're going to operate things here. Okay, so following
Can't leave you alone.
Yeah, you can't leave me alone. Yeah. At least you did it with me. You know what I mean? Not like other bras that just hang you. Leave you out to dry. Leave you yourself. You know what I mean? So after our consultation...
Fair warning.
Yeah.
If you start feeling a little bit tingly and itchy, it's normal.
Okay.
You're not dying. It's not a side effect. Your blood vessels are just dilating and your blood is moving a bit faster.
Totally normal.
Totally normal. You'll be fine.
Workouts and everything.
You'll be fine.
This is the first time in my life I'm taking this thing. I'm just letting you all know. Now I can feel.
Yeah. You'll feel a bit like flushed.
Yeah, like...
It'll raise your temperature.
You're talking to me.
Yeah.
How long it lasts?
To be honest, with this one, there's a lot of stuff in it, like I said, that helps with mental focus. So it's called nootropics. So there's things like alpha GPC, and that can help you with concentration for whatever you're doing. So whether it's training, maybe you have some studying to do. I wouldn't tell people take pre-workout to study, but let's say you have training and you still got a few hours left in the day to do maybe work or whatever. It'll still help you and keep you going for a while. So plus minus, if you use that scoop, maybe about 2 to 3 hours. Okay. But not like in a full effect where you're going to be like buzzing for 2 to 3 hours. Not like that.
No, I'm in a graph now.
So you got the whole day ahead of you, and then that's going to be a kicker.
Well, I still got some work to do in the evening on a meeting, so
you might feel it.
I'm going to be amped
you
up
might
at the
feel
meeting. It, We'll see how that goes. My friends can tell me whether I was normal there or not. Okay, following from our consultation, it opened me up. It made me think a lot about where I'm at in my life, you know, and all the things I've been doing all these years that's also contributing to my health dying down. So mentally, like after the consultation, I've been like preparing mentally, and actually looking forward to this whole journey of change.
Right.
So thank you for that. That made a difference. Even the chat, just the chat made a difference.
You get to see where you are.
I get to see where I am because, like I say in the previous video, I obviously exposed all my health issues and stuff, but it was awakening.
Yeah.
You know, it gave me some more drive to do something about it.
Right.
So I think maybe talking about it was a big step.
The first step. Yeah.
You know, as much as I already committed to it, but talking about it was like, hey, you know what? I need to do this. This is my age. This is the last quarter of my life, you know.
Yeah.
I can't be unhealthy.
And I would say what you did was the biggest step. For most people, it's not even about, I need to get in shape. For most people, it's getting to that first stage of starting, as in getting help or doing a consultation. I've had some people who reach out to me for training because they have a goal or they need to fix their health. But for some people, or most people, they come and see me immediately. And there's some people that might take 6 months to a year while they mentally contemplate and find every other type of things that's putting them down mentally before they even take that first step of just doing a consultation. So it's like, I would say that's the hardest step. That the bravery needed for that one step just to get in is the hardest one. After that, it's easy. Like I tell everybody, it's like, I just need you to get here. After that, I can do the rest.
So, if you are interested in chatting to Coach Vernon about your health, chatting to him about a consultation, you can reach out via the details below. Cool.